Hey y'all, I think I do that like at the beginning of all my videos. I be like, hey y'all, but no, it's late as fuck. I'm tired as fuck, but we got our Glossybox or whatever, and I wanted to see what was in this bitch. So we about to open this bitch. My camera about to die, so all that good stuff. It's so hot in here. It's so hot in here. I'm about to make this real sweet and simple. Let's see what's in this bitch so I can go to bed. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. I think they keep giving these punk ass wine vouchers. I don't know why they give those out. Oh, this is cute. Look at it. It's so cute. Okay. What's this? I think this is the thing that tell me what's in it. You know, we don't open those. I got a makeup bowl. Oh my goodness. Okay, what we got? What's a highlighter? Downtown Paris. I ain't never heard of them. What's this? Downtown Paris. It's a highlighter. Let's see what this is about. Ooh. Oh, it's a little bit. Okay. Y'all see this? What is on here? Y'all see that? It's cute. It's more illuminating. Like, it's not a... Well, once you rub the shit in, you can't even fucking see it no more. So, I don't know. The Amanda Carter Beauty mascara in jet black. This is mascara. We need to open that. Tone Up Primer, Essential Glow. Y'all see that? Is it focused? See, I don't know because I can only, this ring light is so fucking bright. I don't know what y'all can see. What y'all can't see. Ugh, open it. Open it. I don't feel like it for real. Just a little bit. It just smells like, oh, it's really nice. It feels really good. It don't smell like nothing though. But it's good. What is this? Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Mask. Is this a hair mask? I don't use those. Yeah, it's a hair mask. I don't use those. What is this? This was what made the box so heavy. This is why I wanted to open it. Because it made the box so heavy. What is this? A purifying cleanser. Rich in vitamin C. The purifying cleanser transforms a layer of impurity lifting bubbles to remove damaging free radicals. What is this about? I just changed my skincare routine. I cannot change it again. Oh, look at this, y'all. Let's see. What you doing in there, girl? Oh, it's like a... whatever. I'm gonna try this. If I remember, I'm gonna put it in the comments to tell y'all how I like it. But I am gonna try it. Oh, it had a little cover. This is cute. I wanna try it. I'm definitely gonna try it. And yeah. That's it. Short, sweet, simple, to the point. A bitch is about to go to bed. So good night. You know, have a good night. If you're watching this at night, have a good night. If you're watching this in the middle of the day, have a good day. If you